Hi guys, welcome to Home Alone. Welcome to Home Alone. So for today's content guys, I will show you where we get water. This is an ancient type of where we get water. So this is a deep well. See, you can see there's a water there down there. You can see there's a water down there. We just like this. Usually ito kami kumukuha ng mga tubig. Yan. Ayan guys, there we get water from there. Ayan. Ano guys, in Philippines guys, we have a lot of like this. In Tagalog we use balloon. Kung sa Bisaya we call it tabay. I don't know how you call it in your place. We call this, or in English, a deep well. So this is it's not only deep. So as you can see, the water it's not deep. See, you can see the water down there. We use a rope like this. We use a rope. It's like this. You can see down the water. You can see. This is a big place, guys. See? Yeah. See? It's not deep, guys. So this one is not drinkable, but because this is a little bit it's not drinkable because it's not clear water. A little bit there's some colors on it, brown colors. Here the form the wash clothes here, and there we get from water, and there's the here the gallon. You can see the gallon. We have also fresh malunggay in this side. Around guys, around here. The water down there. Nice there. And guys, big space. So water. You can see guys, now this is the way we get water. It's very clear. This one is very clear water from the deep well. This is very nice. Very fresh water from underground water. Underground water. Okay. See, look at this one. It's very clear, no? From the deep well. So there's no in the province, guys. There's no shortage of water because we have a lot of water here. The blessings from the nature that we have a lot. We have many supply of water. No, not supply, not supply. Not supply. Guys, no. So you can see. So there's a lot of supplies of water here. Dami ng supply ng water dito. So it's very clear. But it's not drinkable. Dito mainom kasi it's not healthy to drink. Unlike the other deep well, it can be drink, but this one it's not drinkable. Usually for washing clothes or bathing, or the drinkable for the animals. Washing only. During the typhoon, guys, all barangay here, all barangay here goes from their town here, so that you will use water from here. This is the only source that we have. We have 3 people. I will see another one. So that's the one, guys, no? That's the one. So see you in Manik. Deep well here, guys. Oh, this is the drinkable. So ito po yung tubig na mainom. So that's the one na mainom, guys. So we use that one for drinking. So in the corner a lot of daming malunggay. Guys, no? Malunggay complete, guys. So if you want malunggay. If you want kamuti leaves, a lot also there. So here in the province, guys, there's no problem of bayan. There's no problem of ulam, because if you're just hardworking, you will never get hungry because the food is in just the corner. The water, source of water here is Nara dito. Can see guys. So that's the one guys. So the other one, you can see the other one. Yung nakita nyo yung isang deep well, it's not drinkable. Because that one is a little bit lubog. Kung sa Bisaya pa lubog gamay. Kung Tagalog, it's not clear. So there's a mixtures of, I think it's a muddy, little bit muddy. So here this was drinkable. So that's why they cover it. And the owner is, nandun ang yung owner. Oh. Si Ate LB, shout out to Ate Gingging. Yan. Una ni siya diha. So in the corner guys, a lot of malunggay. See malunggay? Malunggay. See guys, when we go inside guys. So when we go inside, sorry for the camera. When we go inside, we don't bring slippers so that this place will not get dirty, because this deep well is drinkable. So we make sure that everything is clean. So before we step here, there's a little container here, my container. So wash yourself, wash your feet, wash your like this, wash your seat, so that this place will not dirty. Hindi siya ma-dirty. Ayun yung kuan guys, ayun yung stick, ayun yung kapo. So that, ayun yung yung galon niya. So you see that one guys, you see that bamboo. You use that one and bamboo and pull this one and it will go down and you can get water now. So we'll open it. Ayan guys, so that guys, see guys, that's the one guys. So this is drinkable. So this is drinkable deep well. So see, ayan guys. So we cover that one guys, so that there's no dirty that will go inside. Mosquito, I don't know, mosquito will never go inside. See, this place is very clean, maintained by the owner. And in the corner it has a lot of fresh malunggay. Ayan. So guys, can see around. So very nice guys, it's very wonderful. Oh, that's the place. See, and guys, so the other one is not drinkable because it's not clear water. It's a little bit it's not really clear. It's not healthy to drink because it smells mud. But this one is, we use that one for drinking guys. Since maybe 60 years ago, that deep well is already, I think 70 or 60 years, that deep well is already there. So there are times that that one destroy and we fix it. But that way, because before guys, there's no other source of water, only deep well. There is from the source of the water district, yung the barangay water, the MC or like that, source of water coming from the town. Yeah, before we don't have like that, but now meron na. So people, you don't usually come here. But during the Udet guys, there's no source of water. So every people in all barangay goes here to get water, because there's under the source of water. But the problem, we don't want any of them to go inside to wash inside. We want them to wash here outside, so that we want to maintain the cleanliness inside the perimeter of the deep well. You can see it's very clean, right? It's very clean. There's no can say any dirt there. You can see around a lot of malunggay. So in the surroundings guys, yes, this in the nature guys, you can really appreciate many things. There are things to appreciate for, like this one. This is a blessing came from the nature. So, there's no shortage of water because here the water is here, and yeah, you're blessed here, and we thank God that for this kind of things. see around, water is there. Water is everywhere. Behind me, there's a peanut farm and a kamote farm. Yeah, I'm here in the province, going with the bananas. Here in Philippines, only monkey eat bananas. Oh, di ba? Merci. Okay, so see the kokak. How you call this one? Geese. Mm.
No.